Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we will see how to download an aerofoil which is of 5-digit. So we will first go to Google and we will write NACA 5-digit airfoil. So we come to this NACA 5-digit airfoil generator. Here it will ask you for the design coefficient of lift. Say I give this value as 0.5. Camber position, say I give this as 25% of standard. Thickness, I'll leave it to 12%. And number of points, say I give as 40. And plot. Now here it is showing that close trailing edge, I have not given a tick. So here there'll be a gap. If I tick this and plot again, so this end you can see this trailing edge is only a single point. Otherwise, if you don't close, there will be two different points, one at the top, one at the bottom. Now you can analyze the shape of this aerofoil. You can see here this is the chord line of the aerofoil, and here the distance is higher as compared to the lower one because you have given a particular thickness. This will be defined by 40 points only. You can use more number of points. Now based on this value of design coefficient of lift, the camber position and reflex and thickness, you will generate a particular aerofoil. If I change this to say 0.3 once again and plot, this will become 25012. If I make this as 0.5, this will be 35012. So accordingly you can get different aerofoils here. Now once you have done this, you can click here send to airfoil plotter. When you click, you come to this page. Once you come here in this position, here you can just click on plot and then you can click on CSV file of coordinates. So now the file has got downloaded. You can open the file. This is an Excel file. You can get the points from here. So you can just select these points. I'll copy them and I'll paste it in another page. This is X and Y coordinate. I'll also write the Z coordinate in mm. That is 0. We'll drag 0 everywhere. Here I'll write down the point, number and the position. Position is 1. We'll drag this. Point 1, 2 and accordingly. So we have created these number of points. Now we will copy these numbers only and we will paste them in Notepad. Once we have pasted them, we'll just save it. So we have saved as NACA 35012. Once this is done, we will get back to the screen of ANSYS. Now I'm just creating the geometry, so I will choose geometry from here. Double click. I'll right click here. New design modular geometry. We'll first go to units and choose millimeter. XY plane, look at. You will click on the option of point. This is asking for the coordinate file. So here I'll click and go to desktop and choose the text file, open and generate. So you can see here this is the aerofoil. Next I'll go to concept 3D curve. Instead of from coordinate file, I'll choose point selection. Now I'll select all the points consecutively without missing out on any point. So I'll start from here. Once this is done, I'll click on apply and generate. Now last 2 points are left to be connected. So I'll just go to concept lines from points. I'll select these 2 points by pressing the control button, apply and generate. Then I'll go to concept surfaces from edges. I'll select the aerofoil by clicking on the curve and the line, apply and generate. So you can see here the surface has been created. I'll remove these show points such that I'm just able to see the aerofoil. Now what you see here is the 2D aerofoil. If you want to make this into a 3D aerofoil, you just have to go to modeling, extrude. You have to select the surface body and apply, add material, direction, vector. You can choose the XY plane. You can see the direction is shown outwards. Okay. You can give this thickness as say 500 mm and generate. You can click on look at. You can see here this is your aerofoil. Now you can give this length based on what you require. I have given 500 mm. So that's how you can generate a 5-digit NACA aerofoil. With this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the process. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.